Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video we are going to talk about Creative Commons. So what is actually Creative Commons and how can we use Creative Commons in YouTube? So basically Creative Commons is you can use someone else's video without their permission or copyright strike. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. So I'm going to open my browser. In here you can see I search this thing, funny videos English. After searching this, we need to go in filter. From here, you can see the Creative Commons option. If I click this one, you can see many video is gone. So all this video you can see we can use. We can also recreate or remix this video. No one can give you copyright strike. So if you see this sponsored video, don't take this video. You can see this, all these are free videos you can take. From this video, you can create long video to short videos, and you can join one video to another video, and you can create completely new videos. And if I click something new, so after search this, we need to filter, and I'm go in Creative Commons again. Now this time, all these video are Creative Commons. You can make another video from it, so you can earn good amount of money with this video. These videos are free for use, so don't worry about that to get copyright strike in your videos. This is our Creative Commons videos. So these are the Creative Commons videos in YouTube. So guys, I hope you learned something new from this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.